Friday, April 11th. I'm in my knickers with Angel and Josh. We got Capone's pool water, putting water in the pool right now as we speak on this beautiful pool, ready for the residents in this area. Steve got a pool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to send Angel some lunch money because he deserves it. I don't know that I'm going to be able to lift this liner up, though. All right, here we go. If I had my shirt off, no problem. And down. We're down. Jesse could have showed me up right there. He goes to the gym. I don't go to the gym. You bench 325 pounds? Sounds like Waters here. I thought we told him 3 o'clock. Well, good. If he's got anything bad to say, you can be here. All right. Josh, I might have you guys we can't run it because I got to do that main drain. But I'm saying, once we take that all off, our stuff will match up. So I have to reuse. Let's go. Oh, I know. We know we just got the liner, but nobody knows that but us, buddy. We'd have had this liner installed already if we had it. Josh, what do we got for liner lock 2? White if we got it. But gray will be okay too if that's all we got. By no fault of our own, we're under the gun, Angel. But it feels like it was kind of hot off the press in a way. At least we get a load of water in it right away though, huh? It's like the ZZ Top song, Under Pressure. You ever heard that one? It's got me under pressure. It's got me under pressure. That's all those are, well, the thing is, I think they're going to be about yay long-ish. I think we'll just kind of cut them to order. Let's get into it, shall we? While everybody's watching. Waiting for Steve to make a mistake. I feel like I'm always under the gun of people waiting for me to make a mistake. So I'll get the liner set in the stairs, and then I got to fart around with that main drain. Angel, remember when I was saying the next time you measure a liner with Joe to make it a little smaller? If it's 6 feet, it's 6 feet. Make it an inch less. Yeah, it'll the liner will fit much better. That way, the pockets where they weld it together aren't riding in the wall. They have room to stretch into the wall. I didn't know you were still here, Jesse. No, it's not what that means. I like when you're here. I wish you were always here. It just doesn't work out that way. Your stair rods were cut perfect, Angel. Are you having a party again this year, Jesse? I love whiskey, but I only drink when I'm on vacation or I have nothing to do the next day. Otherwise, you can ask my boss. If I drink, I won't show up to work the next day. True story. You can ask. You can ask our. Well, it's our boss technically. You could ask our boss what happens to Steve if he drinks the day before he goes to work. I'd be curious to know what he says. Maybe if he's watching this video, he'll leave his first comment. All right, hey, I need a piece of liner lock like 3 inches long. Angel, could you move that tripod? That would have been sweet. Two trucks here? You can zoom in and out however you think it looks good. I trust you. Angel's my best. You got a couple trowels too, Josh? You like it like that? I like it like that. Whoa, what are you doing? You scared me. It's hot off the press. Can you hold that, Josh? I need more from somebody. One of you. Let's go. Gotta hold it, Josh. Jesse, can you give me some more? Right here. There it is. Oh, it's tough. Oh. If he ain't hurting, he ain't doing it right. That's what I heard. Yep. If he ain't hurting, he ain't doing it right. That should be a bumper sticker. Gentlemen, we are in. We can finish clipping in and do our vacs. And do the main. And just hope for the best. That all in, buddy? Yep. All right. Here, I'll finish this, Josh. Why don't you go ahead and start doing the vac in the deep end? I'll call upon Angel for water bags down there. And then vacs will be running in 10 minutes or less. Water in the pool in 15, 20 minutes ish. Oh, thanks for helping, buddy. Yep. Where was this? That was on the back. It was where?
It was sitting on the back.
On the back? Oh, down here. All right. All right is right. Buddy, you were a huge help. That's a good view. Angel, can you hand me some water hags right quick? My drill still out here? Josh, is my drill still out here? Josh, go ahead and turn that on. Yeah. Oh, you watch it too? Sujit. That's right, I remember. He hasn't put much videos out yet. Thanks for watching, man. It blows my mind sometimes that people that come up to me and they're like, yeah, watch your. It's very humbling, you know? I'll go zing these main drains on. Take a good look at the corners as you're going by. They got a little weird on us. All right, I'm gonna look. Let me look. Let me just. Can you do the? I'm thinking. I'll take a good look in the corner. If I see something I don't like, I'll. Well, hopefully we're good to go. All right, man. Cones is filling. Water bags. I can't imagine they want them anymore, right? They're gonna open the. I just don't understand why you just pull them off over there like you might be using them again. Should I hand them out to you right quick? And we just stack them? I didn't do any of the shallow, buddy. Every time you say shallow, it makes me think she's shallow. You know that song? She's shallow. Well, I'm not a fan of these corners, Josh. I did the best I could there. All right, we're going to take a gamble here that we're still mic'd up and you can still hear what I'm saying. Last time I did this, I went back home and looked at the footage and I was just standing in front of the camera and you couldn't hear a word I'm saying. So hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. It's Friday, April 11th. I'm in my knickers with Angel and Josh. We got Capone's pool water, putting water in the pool right now as we speak on this beautiful pool, ready for the residents in this area. Steve got a pool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to send Angel some lunch money because he deserves it. All right.